Hello. This is the earliest I filmed. Sorry, I didn't put my makeup on. Probably have eye boogers and stuff. So I'm going fishing at the Afterbay. My buddy's taking me on his boat. It's supposed to get really windy today. I'll see you when you'll see me when we get on the water. Yo, it's your boy Devin. No, I'm just kidding. No, that's not me, bro. Those guys. Devin J on the Afterbay. Yeah. Stay tuned. Cue the music. Braid. Have you tried that Daiwa braid yet? No, I haven't. Fuck, I love that stuff, dude. It's so smooth. Oh. Oh. You know, I'm fucking pissed because when I called you and you're drunk, you told me not to fucking, oh yeah, we won't be punching because
I did not
you
say
said, dude, you don't even remember the fucking conversation. You fucking said that. So what did I do? I didn't bring it. Do you have a fucking braided line, any punch lines out here? I got the weight and everything else.
Hold on.
What we got?
328.
Really? You son of a...
Oh, we're not gonna be punching.
You literally said that. We're gonna do a little everything. We're, you know, they're on beds right now. My friend's out there, he said they were doing really fucking good. But we're not gonna punch.
I don't want to hear that conversation again.
Oh, and I just made him really dumbfounded. As dumbfounded as I am right now. I need to quit talking. God damn it. Yeah? Look at him jump. It's the nicest one yet. You snap. Big Papa's coming up. Oh. Never caught anything off a rip bait.
Really?
Soft rip, you know, soft jerk baits, but.
Yeah.
Well, okay, let me take that back. When I was a kid, my uncle loved to troll the banks for bass with his boat, and I thought this was just like a long crankbait. Maybe he'll come back. Oh my god, my drag is not set.
You got him?
Yeah. Oh, he's a monster.
Did you get one?
Oh, I think he's wrapped up. He's wrapped up. Okay, he's off. Wrap. No, he's up.
Hell yeah.
I caught a fish. Yeah, caught a fish. No, he literally just came up and fucking snagged it. I don't know why mine are dinks and yours weren't.
Mine are pretty small.
Oh. Oh, what the fuck? Yours were pretty small?
That thing was like 5 inches.
I thought he got off. Oh,
shit, that was a way better one. Get in here. Oh. Almost 2 pounds. Yeah. Nah, you can throw him in. He felt a lot bigger. Did you get a backlash? Because I was getting mine out. My bad. $25 rip bait. Did it come off? Yeah, it's did it float? I don't think so. Well, it's your fault. Why'd you spend $25 on a rip bait? I'm sorry. Huh? I am a little bit, dude. It's that wind, man. I wonder what happened. Never mind. It feels decent. No. Oh yeah, that's a collar. You think so? Yeah. Nope, it's not. That just happened. How do you feel? Oh yeah. Oh, for sure. Yeah? Yeah. That's gonna take out that 1.7. It has to. Look how tiny that thing is. Look at that gut though, dude. He's fat. One, 6, 7. I told. Oh, are you kidding me? 0.02, bigger. Oh man. Camera died out there. Justin caught 1 more, and I caught 2 more. Yeah, great day. So thanks for watching, and you'll see me later. I just bean dipped myself with a pair of scissors and it stung.